Hi guys, I greet you all. Still remain your girl Daisy baby. Today I'm going to educate you on farm animal parasite. Parasite is an organism that lives inside or on the body of another organism called the host. Derive nourishment from it but gives nothing in return. The benefiting organism is called parasite. Classification of farm animal parasite. There are two main classes of parasite: endoparasite and ectoparasite. Endoparasites. They are parasites which live inside the body of their host. Examples are roundworms, tapeworms, and liver flies. They usually attack the livers, lungs, and the alimentary canal. Roundworm causes loss of weight, anemia, reduction in production, and abdominal pains. Ectoparasite. They are parasites which live on or outside the body of an organism. Farm animal ectoparasites include ticks, lice, flies, tsetse flies, etc. The host animals are usually sheep, cattle, goats, and poultry. Now, the general effect of parasite on farm animal. Parasite cause weakness, loss of appetite and emaciation, reduces reproduction, contamination of skin of these animals, death of animal in severe cases, loss of hair, reduction in the quality of meat and market value. Control. There are ways we can control this farm animal parasite. There are dusting of infected animal with chemical powder, regular deworming of the animals with appropriate drugs, avoid overcrowding to reduce infection from one animal to another, adopt good hygienic measures. Meat should be properly cooked to kill worms. This is where I'm going to stop for today. See you next time. Bye.